welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, make sure to subscribe and don't forget when you click out to give me a thumbs up and comment what you think about this hairstyle. So in today's video, I'm doing a perm rod set. I'm using the orange perm rods. This is what they look like. Yeah, I've been wanting to do this hairstyle for a while now, and now is the time to do it. So the products I'm going to use on my hair are the As I Am Long and Luxe Grow Yogurt Leave-In Conditioner. Main product is the Lotta Body Curl Defining Mousse. This is the main product I'm going to be using on my hair. I'm going to work in small sections, not too big. I'll add her YouTube channel or her video right here, but I'm going to use her method. She first twisted her hair. Okay, let me add leave-in first. She added leave-in first, then she added mousse. Okay, then mousse, then your mousse, then she twisted the hair. Okay, my edges. Then she went in with her rod, hold the hair taut. I think that's it. I'm back. I left my hair overnight and sat on the hooded dry for 30 minutes, and now it's time to get this thing off my head. So I'm going to add some oil and this Jamaican black castor oil. I'm going to be putting on my hand. Oh, I forgot. Yesterday, you know, when you sleep wild, what is it? Please don't mind this one, you guys. Okay, this is the how much I've separated. I only separated the twist, but I didn't separate further because I feel like I'm going to get frizz if I separate more. So now I'm going to style it. So this is the style I came up with. Cute, simple, half up, half down with some bangs at the front. This is this side. Isn't it cute, you guys? My final results, you guys. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you liked it, yes, I do like it. I like. Give this, don't forget to give this a like when you click out. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. And yeah, see you in my next video, guys. Bye.